Hi everyone, let's come back to the review question part 3. Today we are going to discuss D descriptive type from that question number 5 and 6. Question number 5. Enumerate the various changes that occur in the nucleus of the cell during prophase and anaphase of mitotic division. Let's first discuss what are the changes occur during prophase first and second. That means early prophase and late prophase. First point, centrioles start moving apart and reach opposite poles. Second point, chromosomes become distinct. Point third, chromosomes are already duplicated as paired chromatids. Fourth, sister chromatids attached to each other at a small region called centromere. Point 5, spindle fibers appear between daughter centrioles forming the achromatic spindle. Last point, nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear. These are the changes occur during prophase. Come to the anaphase. During anaphase first and second, that means early anaphase and late anaphase, what are the changes occur? Let us discuss. Point number 1, centromere attaching the two chromatids divides or splits. Point 2, the two sister chromatids of each chromosome separate and are drawn apart towards opposite poles pulled by shortening of spindle fibers. Point 3, a furrow starts in the cell membrane at the middle in animal cells, whereas in the case of plant cell, a cell plate will form in the middle of the cell. So, note that in the case of animal cell, a furrow will appear on the middle of animal cells, whereas in the case of plant cells, a cell plate will form in the middle of the plant cells. These are the changes occur during the early anaphase and late anaphase. Question number 6. Name and explain the various changes of the cell cycle. A cell cycle consists of two phases. First one, a non-dividing phase called the interphase and a dividing phase called the M phase or simply mitosis. Interphase itself has three phases. First, growth phase or G1 phase, synthesis phase or S phase, and third, second growth phase or G2 phase. What are the changes occur during first growth phase or G1 phase? RNA and proteins are synthesized and the volume of cytoplasm increases. Mitochondria in animal cells and chloroplast in a plant cells divide. These are the changes occur during first growth phase. In synthesis phase, more DNA is synthesized, the chromosomes are duplicated. These are the changes occur during S phase or synthesis phase. Third phase, second growth phase or G2 phase. This is a shorter growth phase in which RNA and proteins necessary for cell division continue to be synthesized. Now the cell is ready to undergo cell division and enter the dividing phase of the cell cycle, that is mitotic cell division. Mitotic phase consists of two stages, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. It is completed by the four stages. prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. After completing telophase, the next stage of mitotic phase will occur, that is cytokinesis, that means division of cytoplasm. So this is the shortest way of writing this answer. Is it clear? Next, question number 1. Given below is a schematic diagram of a portion of DNA. This question is from E-Part, structured and application skill type. Question is this: given below is a schematic diagram of a portion of DNA. Answer the following based on the structure. Question number A. How many strands are shown in the picture? There are 2 strands. Question number B. How many nucleotides have been shown in each strand? 2 on each strand. Question number C. Name the parts numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. 1 is phosphate, 2nd sugar, 3rd nitrogen base, 4th hydrogen bond, 5th base. And question number D. Name the DNA unit constituted by the parts 1, 2, 3 collectively, that is nucleotide. Question number 2. The 3 sketch A, B and C are intended to represent the replication of DNA. What should be their correct sequence, starting with the first and ending with the last? The correct order is B, C and A. Next question from your textbook, that is 4th. Draw a labeled diagram to show the metaphase stage of mitosis in an animal cell having 6 chromosomes. Answer is, okay, this is the metaphase stage of animal cells which have 6 chromosomes. Is it clear? Come to the question number 3 of your textbook. The diagram below represents a stage during cell division. Study the same and then answer the question that follows. Name the parts labeled 1, 2 and 3. Answer: 1 is centrioles. Second one is spindle fibers and third one is sister chromatids or chromatids. First one centrosome or centriole, second one spindle fiber, third one sister chromatids or chromatids. Question number B. Identify the above stage and give a reason to support your answer. The given stage is late anaphase because we can see a furrow on the middle of the cell, as well as the sister chromatid already reached in the opposite pole of the cell. These are the 2 identifying characters of late anaphase. Question number C. Mention where in the body this type of cell division occurs. It occurs in our somatic cells or body cells. Question number D. Name the stage prior to this stage and draw a diagram to represent the same. The prior of this stage is metaphase. This is the diagram of metaphase. So you have to draw the diagram. Question number 5 from your textbook. Question is, The diagram given below represents a certain phenomenon which occurs during meiosis. Name and explain the phenomenon by using the terms homologous chromosomes, chromatids, crossing over. Answers: crossing over means the exchange of chromatids between homologous chromosome is called crossing over. This is the process by which the two chromosomes of a homologous pair exchange equal segments with each other. Next, what is chromatids? A chromatid is one half of a replicated chromosomes prior to cell division. Third point, homologous chromosomes. The chromosomes which have same shape and size. Such a chromosomes we can call as homologous chromosomes. Question number 6 from your textbook. Given below is a diagram representing a stage during mitotic cell division in an animal cell. Examine it carefully and answer the questions which follows. Question number A. Identify the stage. Give one reason in support of your answer. The given stage is late prophase because the nuclear membrane and nucleolus have disappeared. Question number B. Name the cell organelle that forms the aster. Centrioles. Question number C. Name the parts labeled 1, 2 and 3. 1 is centromere, 2 is chromatids, 3 is spindle fiber. Come to the question number D. Name the stage that follows the one shown above. How is that stage identified? Answer is metaphase. During metaphase, the centromeres of chromosomes are drawn into the equator by equal pull of two chromosomal spindle fibers that connects each centromere to the opposite poles, forming a metaphasic plate. Question number E. Mention two differences between mitosis and meiosis with regards to the number of daughter cells produced, the chromosome number in the daughter cells. Two daughter cells are produced during mitosis. Second point, it is equational division, that is, the number of chromosome in the daughter cells or parent cells remain the same, whereas in meiosis, 4 daughter cells are produced. Second point, it is a reductional division, that is, the number of chromosomes is reduced to half in the daughter cells. Question number 7 from your textbook. Given below are 3 diagrammatic sketches A, B and C of one and the same particular phase during mitotic type of cell division or mitosis type of cell division. Question number A. Identify the phase. The given phase is metaphase. Question number B. What is the diploid number of chromosomes shown in them? Answer is 4. Question number C. Identify whether these are animal cells or plant cells. Answer A. Animal. B. Animal and C. Plant cell. Question number C. A. Animal cell, B. Animal cell and C. Plant cell. Question number D. Which of these are shown in correct direction? All the three. Question number 8 from your textbook. Shown below are 4 stages A, B, C and D. Not in sequence of a certain kind of cell division. Question A. Is it a plant cell or animal cell? Give 2 reasons. Answer. This is an animal cell because the outline is circular. In plant it would be angular, rectangular or polygonal in nature, and cell wall is absent. Point 2. Centrosomes or centrioles are present. These are found only in animal cells. Question number B. Is it undergoing mitosis or meiosis? Answer is mitosis. Question number C. What should be the correct sequence of these 4 stages among themselves? Answer is B, C, D, A. This is the correct sequential order. Question number 4 or D. Name the stage that should precede the earliest of these stages. Interphase. Answer is interphase, and draw the diagram of interphase. This is the diagram of interphase. Dear students, question number 9 from your textbook. Just refer page number 21 of your textbook. Lesson number 2 or chapter number 2, page number 21, question number 9 from your textbook. Question is this. Given below is a diagram representing a stage during mitotic cell division. Study it carefully and answer the questions that follows. Question A. Is it a plant cell or animal cell? Give a reason to support your answer. Answer is, it is a plant cell because cell wall is present and centrosome is absent. Question number B. Identify the stage shown. It is late prophase. Question number C. Name the stage that follows the one shown here. How is that stage identified? The stage which follow the late prophase is metaphase. We can identify metaphase by the following reasons. First one, all the sister chromatids will arrange at the equator of the cell and spindle fiber will come and attach to the centromere of the sister chromatids. Nuclear membrane. Okay, nuclear membrane and nucleolus already disappeared in late prophase. Okay, no need of that. Only these 2 points. First, all the sister chromatid will arranged in the middle of the cell or at the equator of the cell, and the spindle fiber will attach to the centromere of the sister chromatid. Question number D. How will you differentiate between mitosis and meiosis on the basis of the chromosomes number in the daughter cells? In mitotic cell division, same number of chromosome will be there in the daughter cells, whereas in meiotic cell division or in meiosis, the chromosome number get into half. That means each daughter cells having half set of chromosomes. That is, in the case of human, sperm having 23 chromosome as well as egg also having 23 number of chromosomes. So these are the number of chromosomes formed during the mitotic cell division and meiosis cell division in the case of daughter cells. Question number E. Draw a duplicated chromosome and label its parts. This chromosome structure already I had given earlier one of my video. So you just refer that video, then you can answer that structure of chromosomes. Okay. Now already we completed the exercise part of lesson number 2 or chapter number 2. In next video we will discuss chapter number 3, that is genetics. If anybody have any doubt, you just write your comments in comment box. Okay, bye.